So suppose I have this kind of equation. So what we have here, we have 3x, and to 3x we have added 4 units, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's write that down. We have 3x and we added 4 units. Equals 10 units. So what are we going to do to undo this equation such that we have just 1x here to find the value of x? Let's suppose in the morning you wake up, you want to go to school and you want to wear your socks and shoes. What do? You put your socks on first, isn't it? And then you put your shoes on, right?
Yes.
To go to school. When you return to the house and you want to maybe go back to sleep, how do you get back your feet to go back to the bed? You do the opposite, isn't it?
Yes.
Which one will you remove first? You remove your shoes first and then you now remove your socks. So you do the exact opposite of what you did before. We call it the reciprocal. You did the exact opposite to be able to undo what you did before, right?
Yes.
So that's what we are going to do here. Thinking about the order of operation, we are going to do the exact opposite. When you are doing the exact opposite, we call that the reciprocal. So we are going to start by removing this 4 units first. So let's do that. And remember, whatever we do here on this side of the equation, we have to do on this side of the equation. So let's take away 4. So in the same way, we have to take away 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking away 4 units. So we'll do the same. Let's write that down. Minus 4. So when we do that, take this away, taking this away. So we have 3x equals 6. You can see, so let's write that down. Three x equals 6. So how do we undo this to have x? Just as we did before, we can multiply by 1/3, or we can divide by 3. When we multiply by a fraction, it's the same thing as doing division. So let's divide by 3. Remember, write the division and like we're doing by 3. And then we do the same thing here. Divide by 3. So let's go ahead and use the material to do that. Divide it by 3. We divide it by 3. So we see right away there that x equals 2. X equals 2. So you see 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's x. 6 divided by 3, 2. And we can see there x equals 2. Can cover it. Can see there. X equals 2. So you can go ahead and write equations like this, and then you can solve, use the material and write.